Hi everyone, I'm Javon, IT Help Desk with Talkfusion, and today I'm going to show you how to use video emails. Once you log into your dashboard, click on the video email option to the left. It will then take you to your video email studio. Once your video email studio is loaded, you'll have multiple options on the screen. The first of which is how you're going to record your message. You can either choose to do a webcam video, import content, use save videos, or use any Fusion Pro videos that Talkfusion video staff has recorded. We also give you hundreds of templates to choose from over here on the left. There's also a language selection, so you can select the appropriate language for the email that you're sending out. If you've noticed, once the template loads, you have the ability to customize the default template that's there. This is the Build Your Own template. This section will allow you to edit the banner, edit the greeting, edit the picture that shows on the template above your contact information, as well as change the colors of the inner and outer frame on the banner, on the template. So if you move your mouse over any part of this section, you have additional options that will come up. The up arrow will give you the option to upload any images that you have on your computer to the template. You then need to click on Browse to locate the image files that you want to use. And then click Upload to see a preview of that image you're uploading. Our system will give you a brief preview of the image that you're bringing in, along with the dimensions to tell you what specific dimensions those need to be to make it fit exactly to the template. However, don't worry, if it's bigger than the area that it's being placed into, we give you the ability to crop that image and make it fit onto the template accordingly. Once you're satisfied with the image, click Crop It, click Use This, and that image will be dropped right onto the template for you. This will be the same option for the image on the other image on the template. Now we can go ahead and change the inner and outer frame colors on the template. Next, let's go ahead and change our message on the template. This section is a little different from the other two. This section allows you to upload an image onto this area or type in a message on the template. You can also choose the color of that message and how it displays on the template. Once you're satisfied with your template and you decide you want to save this template for later use, you'll need to add a video onto the template. This will act as a placeholder to the system to know that you're ready to save this template or to send it out. To do this, you can either use one of the four options, any of the four options, to get the option to save your template. If you notice, at the bottom you'll now have additional options. One of those options will be to save the template. Before we save the template, I also want to let you know you have the ability to add second and third video clips onto the videos. These are called clip merging. So if you notice in the Add Video Clip section, you have the ability to still access your saved videos by clicking My Videos, or Pro Videos by clicking Pro Videos, to go ahead and create a clip merge. This will allow you to select multiple videos that you can use on your video email. You can also sort how those videos are played and what order they're played in. Once you're done sorting, click I am done sorting, and it will then take you back to the preview of the videos. Now that we're ready to save our template, we'll click Save Template. It'll then give you the option to name this template. You can also set it as your default template, so that way it will be the default template that loads whenever you're ready to create your video email. If you ever decide that you want to change your template in the middle of building it, we have hundreds of templates over to the left that you can choose from. At any given point in time when you're creating your video email, you can change out the template. We have a number of subcategories that you can also choose to suit your needs or to suit the message that you're sending for your video email. Now that we're satisfied with the template we've created, we'll go ahead and send it out. Click on Compose Message once you're ready to send out your video email. This will now take you to the send page. First thing on the send page is your contact information. This will allow you to change or edit the current contact information that's on the video email. The second section is where you're going to select your contacts. This will allow you to search your address book with the appropriate contact that you want to add for this message. You can either search the contact or manually type in the email address that you want to add as a recipient. To add your contact, click on the green arrow that sits on top of the envelope. Also, when you mouse over it, it will tell you that it represents Add Contact. When clicking on that, it will drop into the box that says Selected Individual Emails. We also give you the ability to select any folders that you have. All of your contact folders will show up on this page for you to select. Keep in mind, if you select any folder, all of the contacts inside that folder will receive your video email. The next section allows you to further personalize your video email. If you have names or if you've added names to your contacts in your address book, you'll be able to address the email with that person's name by clicking this checkbox. What this does is it puts the user's name after saying "Dear" on the subject line of that email that's being sent out. We still also give you the ability to customize the subject line if you did not want to choose that option. We still allow you to upload attachments to your video email. Your recipients will be able to download those attachments just like they would any regular email. We'll go ahead and type a message in the body of the email. We give you the ability to customize the header and footer of that video email. You can also include sharing options to display on your video email once it's received. By clicking this checkbox, it will allow your recipient to share the video email to their favorite social networking site. Lastly, to further customize it, you can also choose to show your Facebook, Twitter, or the Talkfusion blog on your video email. This will allow you to put your own personal Facebook page as a link to that Facebook icon. So that way when it's received, the user can click on the Facebook icon and it will take them to whatever Facebook or Twitter page that you've created. The last option here would be to send it out. We give you the ability to send it out now or to schedule to have it sent out later. By clicking the Schedule Later option, we give you the ability to choose the frequency, the start date, the end date, as well as the time that you want to have that email sent out. Once you're satisfied with that schedule, you will then click on Save Email Schedule Settings. But for this video email, we'll go ahead and send it out now. Once we're satisfied, we'll go ahead and click on the Send button, and it will send it out immediately. Once your video email is sent, we give you the ability to go to your reports section to view that video email and to view the statistics that go with that. The purpose of checking your statistics is you have the ability to see who the email was sent to, if it was sent to a bounced email address, if the person opted out of receiving any emails. You can also check to see if the person has how many times the person has watched the email, as well as how many times they've clicked on any links that you might have placed in the video email. You can also check to see if that email was been forwarded or who it's been forwarded to. You can also check to see if that email may have been reported to spam, and you can check your percentage on that as well. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you for creating video emails. Please remember, if you need any further assistance making video emails or using any of our other products, feel free to reach us at support@talkfusion.com or give us a phone call at 813-651-4030. Any of our support staff members will be glad to help you. Thank you.